Okay. So comparative adjectives, my dear students. Introduction. Mhm. My dear Esmeralda, can you read this content, please?
Yes, teacher. Introduction to comparative adjectives. Definition. Adjectives used to compare two peoples, objects, or places. Purpose. To highlight difference of similarities in dental context. Importance. Express precision in dental description and diagnosis.
Yay, my dear Esmeralda, very nice. So let me underline differences or similarities. It's possible with comparative adjectives, right? And explicitly to people, objects, places, and other things, or implicitly. Okay? There is a structure. Ah, yes. In this case, some information, right? Let's read. My dear Esmeralda, can you read this example, please?
Example. This molar is harder than the previous one.
Well, the next example.
The patient's gums are healthier after treatment.
Yes. And the last idea.
Example, the new composite filling is more durable than amalgam.
Yay, that's great. Mhm. It's special, my dear students, because when we compare, this is the normal form of the adjective, hard, Hard. In comparison, we need this suffix, er, and it becomes harder, right? Mhm. Now, healthier, comparative adjective. What is the normal form? Healthy. Mhm. Rule. Change Y with I plus ER. Healthier. Two syllables or more. Durable. Durable. Three syllables. More durable. And most of the time than. Okay? Any comments? Nope. Okay. We move on. The table with summary. Mhm. Short shorter. The next is special. One syllable. Big. Consonant. Vowel. Consonant. Double the consonant. Big, bigger. Two syllables. Hungry. Why? Hungrier. Noisy. Why? Noisier. Two or more syllables. Modern. Expensive. More modern. More expensive. Mhm. Okay. Do you have any observations?
Um, one syllable, bueno, las cosas de una sílaba se le agrega R, mientras, por ejemplo, si termina en consonante y luego empieza la Y, se elimina la Y y se agrega IE.
Right, Maria Esme. Very good. Yeah. We substitute Y with I plus ER because it's the structure to complete comparison. Yep. Okay. It's common, my dear participants. Exceptions. What kind of exceptions? Yes, a small group of adjectives. Mhm. Okay. Here you are. These adjectives, okay, don't use the previous rules. Mm-mm. These are exceptions, right? My dear Catherine, can you read these adjectives?
Yes, teacher. Good, bad, and far.
Okay. Good becomes,
Yes, good is better, bad is worse, far is farther, further.
yeah, my dear Catherine. The last one, far, two options, farther or further. It's the same meaning. Yep. Okay. So remember, good, bad, far, exceptions. Examples. Maybe Catherine, can you read these examples?
Yes, teacher. Irregular comparative adjectives. Common irregular forms in dental context. Good is a better, and the patient's oral hygiene is better than last month, but worse. The decay is worse in the lower molars than higher molars, and further, the infection has spread farther than expected.
Thank you, Mary Catherine. Right. Mhm. Okay. It is patients oral hygiene. Yeah, it's just oral care is improving. Mhm. That's why better than the last month. So Opposite. Decay is worse in the lower molars than higher. And the last, this infection has spread farther or further than expected. Okay, well, another word to be implemented is less. Aha, right. We practice more. Why not less? Mhm. So, ideas. My dear Jennifer Jasmine, are you there?
Yes, teacher.
Please, my dear Jenny, read this information.
Yeah. Uh, Using less with adjectives. Regular adjectives use less before the adjective. Example: this treatment is less invasive than traditional surgery. Irregular adjectives use less with the base form. Example: the new anesthetic is less likely to cause adverse reactions. Dental application: comparing treatment options or patient conditions.
Yay! Very good, my dear Jenny. Mhm. So, carefully. It is less and the adjective normal form. No changes. With this kind of practice, you can express the opposite. Not only more, not only increasing, it's decreasing the quality. Okay? Mhm. And of course, in the next presentation, we would see adverbs to use. Okay? Mhm. So far, so good, my dear students?
Yes, teacher.
All right. Okay. Next one in a moment. Here we go. Form of the adjectives. Comparison. Yep. Okay. My dear Luz Maria, are you there?
Yes, yes.
My dear Luz Maria, hi, it's normal adjective. In comparative form,
Um,
uh, it is short. So we use hi and
um, I don't know.
yes. Hi is
I don't.
high, higher, right? Because it's one syllable. Mhm. Another, my dear, another. It's 30. So how can we write it?
Dirtier? No.
Yay. it is third, T-I-E-R, because it's Y, substitution I-E-R. Very good. Now, another, my dear Luz Maria, it is important. Comparison,
Mm, more
more,
important.
yay, more important. Mhm. Yes. Another one, low, it is, uh-huh, it is low, AR, lower. Yep, thank you. Right, my dear students. Now, board. Comparison.
More
Okay. Listen, more,
Boring.
right. Yay. Congrats, my dear students. Mhm. One more. My dear Jacqueline, it is, wait, comparative one?
Water.
Uh-huh. It is one T or double T, my dear Jack?
Double T.
Double T. Oh, sorry. Yes. Double T. Mhm. Bravo, my dear students. Modern. This is moderner. Uh-huh.
Yes.
Yeah, it's the second. The second it is more,
modern.
Modern.
more modern. Congratulations. Right. Oh, wow. Comfortable.
More comfortable.
Hey, what the Catherine. More comfortable. Yay, that's it. Mhm. Happy?
Happier.
Oh, yes. Happier. Perfecto. Okay. Now, in context, my friend Alejandro Arturo, what about this?
Um, the market is the market is more cheaper than the supermarket for vegetables.
Okay. So, more cheaper than or only cheaper than?
Market is um the market is mm, cheaper. The market is cheaper than.
Yes, because ER means more.
Okay.
Yay. Another one, my dear Alejandro Arturo. This.
Italian 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 is easier
Mhm.
for Spanish people than it is for English people.
Yay, that's excellent. Mhm. Okay. The last one, my dear Alejandro Arturo.
I always feel mm, so I always feel more tired in the afternoon than in the morning.
Oh, two moments in the day. Yep. Okay. Letter C. More time. Oh, wow. Okay. Yes, my dear students. This is our practice, right? Okay. Well, Because of the time, let's read and observe the next presentation. Mhm. In the next presentation, well, do you have any comment or question?
No, teacher.
Nope. Okay. We move on. But where, my dear students? Hmm? Another way to compare.
Yo,
Yeah, my dear Fabi, please.
this restaurant is. Um, ay, a ver, espérame. The
Take
restaurant
time.
is um, more busy than. Ah, no, ¿qué? A ver. Ay, es que no entendí. A ver, this restaurant is more busy than when it first opened.
Okay.
Creo que es la B.
Let
Ah,
it be.
no, busier
Uh,
than esa. Sí.
C. Busier.
Ajá, ajá.
You're right.
¡Eh!
Mhm. Okay. Now, weather. Can you
Ujú.
please?
Coming the summer, the weather is better than, more good in the spring.
Yeah.
More good than, no, sí, more good
More
in
good
the, yes.
or better?
A ver, coming the summer, the weather is better than. Mm, no, yo creo que la B,
Yeah. Mm,
yes.
better
Es, ajá,
because good is irregular. So
ah,
it is good, better.
ujú.
Well done. Okay. And finally, this it's repeated. It's repeated. Sorry. Let's see.
Okay,
Mhm. This one.
okay. I love science. I find it more interesting than history.
Oh, yes, because it's science.
Mhm.
It's good option, but no history. Oh, well, yay, it's done. Mhm.
Eh,
Congratulations.
okay.
Uh-huh.
Um, mhm.
Yeah, tell me.
Okay. Milan is further than, and okay. Milan is further from the sea than Rome.
Mhm. Irregular further. Yep.
Mhm.
Okay. Now, two
Yes.
people.
Okay. I'm shorter than my brother. He's very tall.
Mhm. Exactly. Differences. Okay.
Mhm,
Oh, now, economic situation.
mhm. The economic situation is worse than it was last year.
Yeah, so
It was
no
last.
good, no good things. And
Mhm,
finally,
mhm.
sport.
Okay. Skiing is mm, 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 okay, more difficult than I thought that it was. It was.
Mhm. Yay, bravo. So
Mhm.
perfect practice.
Muchas
Okay.
gracias,
Now,
profesor.
thanks to you, my dear students,
Mhm.
because you are doing the best. Aha.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Thanks to you. Okay. Now, our second presentation. Okay. So we said differences and similarities. Okay. Different context. Tourism. Tourism is the context. Uh-huh. Well, we use this. My dear Lisbeth, are you there? Lisbeth Velasco?
Yes, teacher.
Please, can you read this content?
Introduction to as structure. The as structure is used to compare two things that share similar qualities or features. It's
Pictures?
particularly pictures. It's particularly useful is terms to describe and compare place, attraction, or experience. Format. Subject 1 is as adjectives or adverb as subject 2. This structure can be used with both positive and negative comparisons.
Comparisons. Right. Okay, good, my dear Liz, my dear Smith. So, with this structure, we have similar qualities. Okay, no more, no less. Similar. Mhm. Okay. But how, you may be wondering, teacher, how is this? Okay, here you are. Positive examples. My dear Catherine, are you there?
Yes, teacher.
Catherine, could you read these sentences?
Yes, teacher. The beaches in Bali are as beautiful as those in the Maldives.
Mhm.
The Eiffel Tower is as iconic as the Statue of Liberty.
Yay,
The culture in Tokyo is as diverse as New York's.
good.
The nightlife in Barcelona is as vibrant as in Ibiza.
Very nice. Yeah, we have vibrant. Yeah, check it. No differences, my dear students. So, Eiffel Tower, uh, iconic Statue of Liberty. Yes. So it's similar feature or characteristic. Uh-huh. Food. I love food. So cuisine in Tokyo. Uh-huh. Okay. Diverse. As in New York. So similarity, no difference. Yep. Our adjective, no changes. Normal form. Okay. Practicing as, adjective as. Yep. This is the combination and the appropriate verb. Mhm. So far,
Teacher, I have a
yep.
question.
Tell me, Ismail.
As as is for mm, similar things.
Mhm. Similar things, similar qualities, characteristics, or features.
Oh, for example, the Eiffel Tower is as iconic as the Statue of Liberty.
Uh-huh. That's
Okay,
right. Mhm.
thank you, teacher.
Okay. Yeah. Because in this case, no differences. We have positive examples. So negative examples. So it's slightly different, okay? But practicing as as. My dear Iris Jacqueline, are you there? Okay, don't worry, don't worry. Technical issue. My dear Jenny, Jasmine, are you there?
Yes, teacher.
Please, Jenny, read these ideas, please.
Yep. Negative examples. The winter is in Moscow is not as mild as in Rome.
Mhm.
The cost of living in Paris is not an affordable as in Prague. The
Yeah,
public transportation in Los Angeles is not as effective as in London.
right.
The crowds at Disneyland is not as manageable as at smaller theme parks.
Good, my dear Jenny. Yes. Okay. So,
Thank you.
thanks to you. The quality that we are using, like this, in the third, efficient. Uh-huh. So, in London is efficient. It's good. In Los Angeles is not efficient. There is a difference, right? Uh-huh. Practicing negative verb as s. Okay? It's possible to express differences with as. Okay? Hmm. So far, so good. Yep.
Yes.
Thank you. Mhm. Okay. My dear students, practice. Yeah, let's practice. Wait a sec, wait a sec. Here you go. Okay, two alternatives. My dear Esmeralda, are you there?
Yes, teacher, the black phone is not as big as the right phone.
Okay. So the first one,
Uh, Option 2.
the second one.
Second option,
Oh, negative. You're
negative.
right. That is. Uh-huh. Now, what about this one?
Choose the correct sentences. The red cat is fat, but the green cat. The red cat is not as fat as the gray car. Gray car.
My cat. Okay. So let's zoom the picture. Oh, two,
Mm,
two
ah,
cats, right?
option 1.
The first one?
The red cat is fat as the gray cat. Yes.
Yay! Because they
Mm.
are heavy cats. Okay.
Oh.
What about this?
Uh, Choose the correct sentences. The cat is as good as the dog. No, the cat is not as good as the dog. The dog is as bad as the cat.
Image.
Ya. Ok. Pobre perrito, bien enojado.
Yes, which one, my dear?
The dog,
Esme?
no. The cat is not the cat. The cat is not as good as the dog.
Ah,
Oh,
okay. What's happening here?
se ve con cara de
Oh my God.
enojadito.
Yes, I think the same. I think the same. Mhm. So, Esme,
Ujú.
this one. One more.
The dog is as little as the cat. The dog is not as little as the cat. The dog is not as little as the cat. Option
It's
2.
different.
Yes.
Yay. Thank you. Thank you very much, Lady Esme. Good practice.
Thank you,
Okay.
teacher.
Now, another participant, my dear Alejandro Arturo. Are you there?
Yes, teacher.
Please, my dear Alejandro Arturo. What sentence is
Um,
the best?
mm, the first one, the pink rose are not as fresh as the red rose.
Okay. Let me click.
Okay.
Oh, no. My opinion is the same, my dear Alejandro. It's the same. It's only different perspective.
Okay.
Okay, but what about this one?
Mm, oh, se me bugueó. Yeah. The girl is as happy as the boy.
Ah, so similarity. Yay. Okay. One more, my dear Alejandro Arturo.
Okay. Mm,
Grandparents.
um, they are very similar, but I will say my granny is not as old as my granddad.
Okay, let's look again.
Uh, okay, yeah, it's the first one.
The first one. The first one says,
My granny is as old as my granddad.
yeah, similar features. All about temperature, my dear
Okay.
Alejandro Arturo.
Mm, winter in Moscow is not as cool as winter in Yakutsk. Yakutsk.
Oh, so, the second, right?
Yes.
Wow, that's good. Thank you very much, my dear Alejandro Arturo. Great job.
Thanks,
Mhm.
teacher.
Thanks to you. Now, my dear Catherine, are you there?
Yes, teacher.
Catherine, this picture.
Um, the little girl is as strong as the boy.
Bigger image. First option, second
First,
option.
first option.
The first, this is the little girl.
Oh yeah, I know. Is the little girl is not as strong as the boy. The second.
Ah, oh yeah, because the boy is stronger. Observe the muscles.
Yes, teacher.
Yay. Mhm. It says the correction, but which one you think may be Catherine in this case?
Is the cat is not as good as the dog?
It's opinion. I think it's the same opinion, but I need to change this. Mhm. Okay. Finally, my dear Catherine, this one.
Is the pen is not as long as the pencil?
Huh? It's same or different?
No, it's same. The pen
Huh?
is as long as the pencil.
Oh, okie dokie. Yay. Uh-huh. So it is this one. Thank you, Mary Catherine. Right. Well, my dear students, because of the time, let's read the last section. Mhm. Okay. Be patient and let me show you. Mhm. Okay. This in the presentation. Okay. Okay. Yeah.
One option. Bueno, first option.
Yes, that's right. Sorry. Because of the time, idiot, because of the time. Okay. So, something to read. My dear uh, Maria Fernanda, are you there?
Yes, teacher.
My dear Maria Fernanda, can you read this content?
Yes. Comparatives. Much, a lot, a little, a bit. We use much or a lot with comparative adjectives to talk about large differences. Much is more formal than a lot. Cars with low petrol consumption are much cheaper to run. New Zealand is a good market, but Australia is a lot bigger. We use a little or a bit to talk about small differences. A little is more formal than a bit. The PDX 100 is a little more expensive than the PDX 200.
Thank you. Yeah, this PDX is the model of a computer. Yeah, a computer. Okay, dear students, our partner, Mary Fair, said when you need more emphasis in comparatives, much is a good option. We say it's emphasizing much cheaper, not only cheaper, it is much cheaper. Is formal, but you say, oh, I need informal idea. Say a lot bigger. So comparative structure and a lot, it's informal, much formal. Okay. You say, okay, but what about the opposite? A little, it's a phrase. Uh-huh. So we have a little more expensive, but just a little. Not much more expensive. It's a little. Or you say a bit more expensive. Informal communication. Yep. Okay. Mhm. So more emphasis in comparisons. Okay. Any comments or questions?
No, teacher.
Nope. All right. Okay. My dear students, let's practice. Okay. Just a few minutes more. A few minutes. Be patient. Be patient. Yeah, here we go. My dear Fabi, read and complete.
I write the comparative form of the verbs in brackets. She is much funnier than me. She tells many jokes.
Oh, you say funnier?
Yes.
Can you spell it? It is F.
Funnie. Ah, no, ¿qué? H. Espera, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H,
Uh-huh. So F,
U.
sorry, you say F, U,
Ajá.
and N.
Ajá.
Mm, Next, one more, my dear Fabi.
Yes. Write the comparative form of the verbs in brackets. Rich people are a little happier than poor people.
Oh,
H A P P I E R.
are wonderful.
Mhm.
Just my dear Fabi and my dear students, in this case, the words in parentheses are not verbs. They are,
Adjective.
yes, adjectives. Oh, the teacher, another mistake. Sorry, my dear students. Sorry. It's Saturday. It's Saturday.
Mhm.
Okay. Mhm. So let's check. Happier.
Eh,
Okay. Very nice. One more, my dear Fabi,
okay.
please.
Write the comparative form of the adjective in brackets. Brazil is a bit bigger than Mexico.
Oh,
Bigger.
are just a bit, not much.
Mhm.
A bit.
Mhm.
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 Yay. Thank
Oh, you're
you, my dear
welcome.
Fabi.
Thank you
Very
too,
nice.
teacher.
Now, thanks to you. My dear Esme, are you there?
Yes, teacher.
Please,
Better,
Esme.
better. Es
Oh,
que good, better, better.
can you read the complete sentence?
I think Robert De Niro is a much better actor than Leonardo DiCaprio.
Okay. Can you spell better?
Boy. Es B
Mhm.
E
Yep.
C C C E R.
Yeah, better. Very
Better.
good. The last one, my
Teacher.
dear Esme, please. This one.
Cancun is a lot hotter than Toluca. Is
Butter. Can you spell
her.
it?
H
H.
O
Uh-huh.
C T E R.
All right. Yes, a lot. Or remember, a lot is informal, but you say much hotter. Yay, my dear students. Well, this is the practice to use comparatives, my dear students. Okay. Mhm. And I recommend that you go to the platform and complete your practice there. Tell me, do you have any questions or comments?
No, teacher, thank you for
No?
your class.
Thanks for your
Eh,
time and
Profesor,
patience. Yep.
una pregunta. ¿Usted nos va a dar calificaciones de este semestre o no?
Yeah, yes, my dear Fabi.
Ujú.
I will do that. Just be patient
Ok.
because we had some circumstances, special circumstances, but you'll receive an email. Mhm.
Ah, ok. Y mi pregunta es también si va a haber clase el siguiente sábado o este ya es como el último sábado del año.
Class, well, considering our calendar, my dear Fabi, it's
Ujú.
possible. Yeah, we will have session next next Saturday.
Ok, perfecto.
Mhm.
Muchas gracias. Thank you, teacher.
Thanks to you. Please,
See
my dear
you
students,
soon.
see you soon.